well, it's afternoon. I'm starting the vlog super late today, but I thought I would just do a little organizing and cleaning, tidying up motivation video for you today because I am not feeling very motivated. Today is the dress rehearsal for the concert, so I just need to get my stuff together before that. Oh my gosh, my thing's coming off. Windscreen just came off my microphone. There we go. It's back on. Also, look at this Thanksgiving cactus about to look spectacular. Look at all of those blooms getting ready to go crazy. I am so excited. Actually, this one's like opening. Look at her. Oh my gosh. I am so excited that this is gonna bloom this year. It's so pretty and it looks happy. So lots of blooms coming out, and there's a bunch of like little ones getting ready to come out as well. The ones on top are a little bit less mature. Looks like a lot of blooms on this plant this year. So fun. So my dress is all ready for tomorrow night. I did shorten it so that I don't like, you know, trip on it on stage. I didn't sew it. I did use like hem tape, but I don't think it looks too bad. It's not super even, but no, who cares? No one's gonna be looking at it, so yay! And I got my concert shoes out. I cannot believe how long these have been in this box hanging out since the beginning of the panini. So we have our concert shoes out again. They're not super high heels. They just have little tiny kitten heels on here. I might actually take these soles out if I can and put like my orthopedic soles in here. I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll experiment. But these are from a brand called Soft. And these are my like go-to concert shoes. They look so cute and they're very comfortable. I just walked by my Calathea rattlesnake and she's got a new leaf coming. Look at that. They come up like little straws and they just, look at that. Look how cute that is. They come up like little straws and then they open up and they're so pretty. This plant is, again, my favorite. Is that the only new leaf? I think that's the only new leaf. I think that's the last one for the season she's gonna push out and then she'll probably take a break. I hope this one doesn't die back because I love to look at it. It's just so pretty. Oh my gosh, please don't ever die back. Okay, so we've got a lot to do today. It's taking a couple hours, hopefully, but we'll get this nice and clean. So we've got kitchen, which is looking a mess because I just had a salad, and with my No Evil Comrade Cluck fake chicken, I baked it. Well, I sauteed it on the stove. The dishwasher needs to be emptied, and I need to wash the linens in the bedroom and in the bathroom. So we've got a lot to do.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes.
Oh, and my husband got new jeans and they stained these covers for the bar stool, so I guess I'll clean those today too.
Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your hand. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your hand. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire.
Hello. Oh, right. I washed my hair, took care of my person. I showered, you know, like finally, because like it's just, and I wear this cap to sort of press the hair down a little bit so it's not so, you know, sometimes I just put clips in it to do that. You can do that as well, just to stretch the ends a little bit, but it's mostly so I don't touch it, because with the curly hair, when it's drying, you can't touch it until it's dry, because there'll be a frizz nightmare. So I wanted to, instead of, because I'm not going to finish cleaning and putting the things on the bed before I have to go to rehearsal tonight. We have our dress rehearsal tonight at 7, which I'm very excited about. But I wanted to get this edited and posted before I left. So I wanted to make this video a couple times, but I haven't before. And this is a good enough excuse to do it now. I wanted to talk about some of my other favorite home-centric channels on YouTube. I consume a lot of content on YouTube. A lot of it's like gaming stuff. Some of it's like tea channels. Not a lot of it's tea channels anymore. I've stopped watching tea channels. I just don't care anymore. But some of it's news. Well, not a lot of it's news. It's like basically Philip DeFranco. And but of course, a lot of it's gaming content. A lot of it is educational content. Actually, I love crash course and stuff. And but some of it is home-centric content. So I wanted to tell you guys about my favorite home-centric channels that I'm subscribed to here on the YouTubes, so that you may enjoy some of them as well. Some of them you probably heard of or are subscribed to if you're subscribed to me or if you're watching me, but some might be new to you. So we'll talk about them today. So in no particular order, well, they might be in alphabetical order a little bit. So, well, really in no particular order of like preference. Here are my favorite home-centric channels here on YouTube. First one is Alexandra Gator. Alexandra Gator is a young lady, and she basically does home design decor videos, and I think she's young. She must be like 26, 27, maybe 28, I'm not sure. But she's the cutest, and she lives in Canada, and she's adorable. I think she has like 300,000, almost 400,000 subscribers now, and she just moved in with her boyfriend, partner, whatever their relationship is, but and they're doing this whole, you know, reno series, and it's really fun, it's really adorable, and she just makes really adorable videos. And it's she made a really interesting video lately about one of her makeovers of a living room that they lived in that everybody hated, and I didn't hate it. I thought it was cute, but it was a really interesting redo, and she said some really interesting things in the beginning of the video about, you know, how comments affect people, etc., etc. But I like Alexandra Gator. I've been watching her since like she had like 40,000 of subs or something like that. She's great, and check her out if you like home decor stuff. She does have kind of a very specific aesthetic, which might not be your aesthetic, but she does have good ideas in general about home decorating and interior design that might be helpful for you. So that's my first person. Oh my gosh, I don't really know how to pronounce this one. Is it Auri Katarina? I think Auri Katarina is the second one in my list who I really, really love. She makes cleaning videos, and she basically goes into people's homes who have been depressed, don't have the motivation to clean, have had a lot of problems in their lives, and goes in and cleans the house for free. And it's one of the most heartwarming, just feel good channels on YouTube. And if you want to see some satisfying cleaning, please go subscribe to her channel. I think she lives in Norway, but it's a beautiful channel. She's a beautiful soul. You will feel, your heart will just light up. She's such a kindred, happy spirit, and you just want to be your friend, you know. You just want to hang out with her, and it's a great channel. I've watched probably every single one of her videos, and they're fantastic, really satisfying, a beautiful channel. Go check her out. Third one is no secret to you, Clean My Space. I love Clean My Space. I've been watching Clean My Space. Clean My Space is probably my oldest YouTube subscription, like, in history. So I've been watching her for a long time. She was on my podcast in 2013, back when I was doing regular podcasts, and we have collabed since, and she's just a wonderful soul, and cleaning videos are very satisfying, and she's super knowledgeable about cleaning and how things should be cleaned and what you need to. It's just, and plus Maker's cleaning cloths are the bomb. I'm like, they're the bomb, and I'm not being paid to say that right now. They're the bomb. Go out and buy them. Number four, Clutterbug, Cass from Clutterbug. I mean, no secret here. Cass is amazing. Another, like, really delightful, just happy, cheerful, beautiful soul. She's so charismatic that HGTV wanted her real bad. So she's just a great all around. She just feels like she'd be a great all-around human, has great home organizing advice. If you're watching my channel, you're probably subscribed to her too, so this is probably like preaching to the choir, but Clutterbug, Cass, a wonderful channel. Go check her out if you are not subscribed. She's so fun and just, you know, good stuff. Here's what I mentioned a few years ago, but I'm going to mention again. Judy the Organizer, a fantastic channel, a severely underrated channel. She makes home organizing videos. She's beautiful and fantastic, and you need to go check her out if you have not watched her. She's so fun, and the videos are so well made. She's just severely underrated. Please go subscribe to her. She's amazing. Nami's Life is one of my favorite, like, newer subscriptions here on YouTube. She is living alone in Japan, and I guess she works in an office, and the videos are just so relaxing. It's basically just her at home cooking and organizing and cleaning, and it's the best. The videos are so relaxing, and they have that very beautiful, like, minimalist Japanese sort of aesthetic to them, and there's no, like, talking in the video. It's just narration and music, and it's so chill. I mean, she doesn't need my endorsement because she's got a lot of subscribers, but I love her channel. I love watching her. She's so fun. Nick Lewis is one of my new favorite interior designers on YouTube. He doesn't need my endorsement. He's got plenty of subscribers, but he's so fun and offers super solid interior design advice, like super solid. You can take these things that he's saying and apply them to your own home. He's great. I love Nick Lewis. Every time Nick uploads, I click on it. It's just like, he's one of my 100%ers on YouTube. You know, there's like videos, there's creators that you kind of click on every time you see them come up in your feed, like, call them my 100%ers. Nick is one of my 100%ers. Like, I don't skip videos when Nick uploads. I'm like, oh, Nick uploaded, click, watching it. Shara Stevens from the Kinwoven Home, love. I think she's so sweet. I love her mom too. I think her mom's Ropes, and what's her first name? I think she's got 1 million subscribers anyway, but I do love Shara. She's got a cute baby and a dog and a husband, and they just moved, and they're decorating experts, and their channel is very cute, and I love it so much. She's offered a lot of great advice, great organizing advice, and great home decor advice, and I really like her channel. The next one I discovered from the comment section, The Helpful Home. I love your channel if you're watching this. This is a channel that focuses on home organizing, and it is so fantastic. Go over there and give them a view. They're so wonderful. I think right now she's at 400 subscribers. Let's go and show her some love. The channel is so fantastic. I love her sense of humor. I love it all. It is like right up my alley, a great channel. Go and check her out. The next one, of course, this list is just full of good people, but Noreen from The Crafty Organizer, you're fantastic. I love your channel. It's so much fun. She's got a great sense of humor, always offering amazing organizing tips and realistic organizing tips. You know, not all of us can have like, you know, one of everything. So, and she crafts. So she has stuff. So if you're looking for inspiration on how to organize, you know, craft supplies and all that kind of stuff, if you have a lot of it, please check her out. She's amazing. Please go subscribe. She's almost at 100,000 subscribers. So please get her close. Get, you know, not close. Get her silver play button. Please. She needs the silver play. You need Noreen. We're going to get it for you. And the last channel I love to watch that like is very home-centric is the WODs, actually. And I'm not normally attracted to like a sort of parenting content, but it's not parenting content really. It's just more home content. And Kim, who hosts the channel, is just such a delightful soul. Like, I love shopping with her at Target. I love going with her to Costco. I love it. She's so sweet and funny and doesn't take herself too seriously, and that's kind of the people I want to hang out with. So if you love that kind of energy and you love that content, go and check her out. Again, she doesn't need my endorsement. She's got enough subscribers, but I mean, if you haven't checked her out, go and check her out. She's fantastic. Fantastico. I love Kim. So at the dog park, we've been seeing a lot of other Cavalier King Charles Spaniels, and it's like a very special sort of meeting when we meet another Cavalier, because they always come in the park and they're like, oh, aren't they wonderful? There's a kind of, I feel like Cavaliers have this kind of cult like following, like us. If you have a Cav, you have like a cult like attraction to other people who have Cavs. You're like, oh, family, let's talk about our dogs. And it's very bizarre. I've never experienced it with any other like animal thing, but it's cute nonetheless. And I do enjoy meeting other little Cavs. The Cav I met yesterday, I think I'll put some footage here now, was the most adorable little girl Cavalier I've ever seen in my entire life. Her little apple head, and she was like, so she looked like, because Clover's kind of small. He's like, well, he's small, he's short, he's small. He's like 15, 16 pounds, but she looked like she weighed like 10 pounds. She was so petite, and she was so beautiful. And I wanted to take her home and scoop her. She was just so cute. She was the cutest thing I've ever seen. I was like, how are you so cute? I don't understand. It's illegal for you to be that cute. All right, anyway, I should get this edited. Tonight is the dress rehearsal. I hope everything goes well. Maybe I'll take you along. I can't really post audio from the rehearsal because of union rules. So, but I can probably show you some stuff from behind the scenes so you can see what's happening. But that's that. Clover was not in this video, I'm so sorry. He's asleep downstairs with Eve. He likes to sleep downstairs in his office when he's working. So I hope you're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are, and I'll see you tomorrow.